Hello, third grade, and welcome to Positive Action for today. Now, we are going to be looking at how we can recognize our talents and our skills. I want you to think about a time that you've read in a newspaper and you've seen an article or an ad in there. Have you or your parents ever placed an ad inside the paper? Ads are intended to sell a product or service, as well as written ads that list good points about whatever is to be sold. Today in our lesson, we're concerned about the gift of wisdom, or your talents. We all have talents or skills of some kind, but often we just don't recognize them. To help us recognize and care for the talents each of us has, we will do an activity to make us aware of our good points. Pretend you are placing an ad in a newspaper. You are not trying to sell things. You are trying to sell yourself. So you're going to put an ad in the newspaper of yourself. You want to advertise your own strengths and skills. Think of your talents. Write them down on a small piece of paper or on your class kick. Don't be shy about advertising yourself. Don't sell yourself short. A talent can be any special ability you have. You may be a good creative thinker. Perhaps you are a good with your hands. Can you build things easily? Do you tell jokes and stories well? Are you especially good at sports or cooking or sewing? You may have a good sense of humor. Think about it for a little bit. On your class kick, you'll be finishing the ad of yourself. You can draw a picture below if you would like, but I want you to convince me how interesting you are that I would want to buy something from you. At the bottom, I want you to write a job that you think fits your talents the best. Maybe you love to bake and you are very creative, and a job that might fit your talents would be a baker. Maybe you are very funny and you tell a lot of jokes. Maybe you want to be a comedian. Maybe you love animals and you could be a veterinarian. Below, I want you to write what job you think goes best with your talents that you're trying to sell. Once you are finished with this page, you are done for positive action and can continue with the rest of the lessons for today.